Every year, the Indigenous Connectivity Summit brings folks from across Indian country together to talk broadband, technology, and digital equity in our communities.
There's no other summit like it.
We need a space where we can get together and really tell each other what's going on.
Connecting with our kin who are doing this work all around Turtle Island.
A lot of expertise from Indian country and Indigenous communities from all over the world.
And I think having that understanding of all of the work that's being done only allows you to continue to progress and fight for your own community.
In our worldview, we're always thinking about the future, and connectivity is a big part of that.
Spectrum is a resource, and we need to have access.
Indigenous communities have been left behind for so long.
We're paying the very highest service rates and receiving the very worst service levels.
I am here to learn from all of the folks here who want to see change in their communities.
Having a better understanding of the landscape that we're dealing with when it comes to the actual technology, the policy.
To hear what other projects are going on, we need that space.
Each one of us has our own issues and priorities that we need to focus on and have agency over.
Education, healthcare in particular, can be greatly improved, in fact dramatically improved, by having good high-speed connectivities.
But it also actually means that we Indigenous people get to equally participate in this sector, that we can build, own, and manage our own network.
For Indigenous people to be key players and leaders in this space is finally.
In many other telecommunications conferences that I attend, there's little to no Indigenous participation.
I came here definitely to learn everything and anything I could about broadband and spectrum and all these maybe words I have heard before but didn't really understand what it was or how it worked.
The caliber of presentations has just been very, very high.
We are able to have this industry long-term because we are providing those services to our own family members, to our own tribal governments, our anchor institutions.
Partners that are willing to come in and help tribes, support them in their digital sovereignty.
Through these summits, you can actually see success stories.
That's what we need to hear, stories and experiences that Indigenous nations have encountered when they're building their network.
This is where the solutions are going to come from.
A solution that fits us individually, and that's going to be long-lasting and sustainable for our communities.
Having all those folks in the room means that ideas are being sparked even when you're not listening to a panel, you're just in conversation with people.
Understanding the barriers existing to digital equity, I can be more informed and be an advocate.
I want to be a part of this future that we're all working towards.
Learn more and spend time with my cousins.